So today I'm going to be showing you how to poach an egg, real basic recipe. All you're going to need is a pan of water, a spoon, if you've got one with slats in, that's helpful, a plate with some kitchen roll on, and an egg. Now I'm only going to use a small pan for this, but just so you can get it right, you want the depth to be to about there on your finger. First thing we need to do is get the water simmering. So I'm just going to whack it right up to the highest heat just to get it up to temperature. Okay, so when we get to about this stage, this is what we call simmering, when you've got all these little bubbles and it's just on the verge of it might start boiling. At this point, I'm going to turn it down slightly because we don't need it to actually fully boil. So I'm going to put mine to a number 4. Okay, now you're going to want to take your spoon and just do this gently. Try and create a little kind of whirlpool effect inside the pan like this. Okay, so keep doing that. Crack your egg. And then drop straight in. Then you're going to want to try and just help carry that on. It is going to look wispy. This isn't going to be a perfect poached egg, but it's going to do the job. And then just let that do its thing for a minute. Okay, so you're going to need to leave it a couple of minutes for it to cook through. Not really a way to check it. I'll just put a timer on for a couple of minutes and then I'll show you when I put it out what it should look like. It is going to look a bit murky like this, so this isn't the perfect method to do a poached egg, but it saves ingredients. You know, if you've literally got an egg and you just fancy doing it, there's lots of recipes that include putting in like vinegar. I'm not really sure what that does, I'm not an expert, but it makes the kitchen stink of vinegar, so I think this is better. Okay, so after 2 minutes, you're gonna get your spoon in and try and lift out your egg. Yeah, so I can tell that's cooked because all the white you can see is solid. It might be, you know, jiggling about a bit, but it's definitely solid. So you're just going to place it straight onto your kitchen towel like that. It just soaks up the water, stops you having a soggy egg to put onto your bread. And obviously now turn off your oven and take the pan off the heat. Okay, so once you've got your toast sorted and buttered, just get your egg, pop it on, and this is the best bit. Look at that. There you go. That is your poached egg. Enjoy. Hope that's been helpful for you guys. Please like and subscribe for any more of these real basic recipes.